That was Polo Sandoval reporting, and depending on where you were today, you may have seen a quick downpour or two as spotty showers made their way through the area, even prompting a severe storm warning in some parts of our area today. Yeah, when it came down, it came down to say the least. Kristin Emery is tracking whether or not we've got more in the store tonight.
Just a little bit of scattered convection right now. Most of it is east, and that one severe warning was east of Pittsburgh. But look at the picture we have downtown. This is our tower camera looking across at the North Shore, and just a beautiful end to the evening right here. 63 or 83 degrees right now. We're looking at temperatures overnight tonight that will be in the upper 60s, lower 70s, and then tomorrow the upper 80s. Light winds right now, although it's still a little sticky out there. It feels like 87, and our high today did make it up to 88, so we have cooled down just a little bit. We're still looking at those upper 70s to lower 80s for current temperatures, and when you factor in the humidity and those high dew points, it still feels like 90 in Latrobe and over into Wheeling, down into Morgantown. Still very, very muggy out there for the next couple of hours. We're looking at temperatures that will slowly slide down into those lower 80s to mid 70s as we head toward the midnight hour. And pretty much a quiet evening ahead. We still have one or two areas that are getting a couple of scattered showers and storms. There's a little bit of convection bubbling up in through northeastern Ohio. This could hold together, and we can't rule out an outside chance at a shower or a pop-up storm even until later this evening, but the chances are pretty slim. Most of the activity now is confined to the I-80 corridor. Pretty good area of thunderstorm activity up just to the east of Slippery Rock. Some lightning there and headed up toward Eau Claire, and they've had some flooding concerns, minor flooding concerns along I-80 there, but rest of the evening things should quiet down. So here's the latest satellite loop of Hurricane Ida. You can see that pretty well-defined eye there undergoing a rapid intensification phase, and the hurricane hunters are flying this evening to get more data, but it looks like right now still a Category 2 and quickly will strengthen to a Category 3 hurricane overnight tonight and expected to make landfall sometime tomorrow as a very strong Category 4. Now, it could get some dry air in training, which could weaken it to a Category 3 just before landfall, but it's a chance, but right now dangerously high winds. Could see winds up to 150 miles per hour at landfall. Then as Ida heads up the Mississippi River, it'll take a hard right there through Tennessee. It'll be caught up in a cold front that's approaching, and that hopefully will steer it just to the southeast of our area. But as we head toward Tuesday, Wednesday, we still could get a couple of inches of rain in spots from Ida's remnants. FUTURECAST right now keeps us in scattered showers and storms for the next couple of hours, very isolated in nature, and then we quiet down. Tomorrow we do it all again. Upper 80s, scattered showers and storms in the afternoon and evening, and then Monday, one more day of this very warm, humid air. Finally, as a cold front pushes through, that'll steer the remnants of Ida to our south and east, but the question is how far south and east. Could see rain heavy at times Tuesday, Wednesday, but behind that, look at this. That cold front cools us off, upper 70s, sunshine and lower humidity. John?